Bit of Pathfinder fun today. New ballast required for the passenger side headlight for the TI, so it's got the projector xenon globes. Anyone who have not had to take a headlight out, you're very lucky because this is a punish. So you've got two top bolts, one up here, one you can get a long bolt in down there, it fits into that hole there. But to get that, you've got to take this grill out, which isn't that big a mission, but I made it a mission because that's, you know, how I am. There's two other bolts here, so this one and this one, and then that's your ballast underneath. It just unscrews and pulls out. To get to that, you have to take the mud guard, the inner guard out under here, just a couple of bolts, and then you can squeeze up there and get those bolts out, which is a punish. So yeah, anyone who's had to do it will know the pain, but it is definitely cheaper to do it yourself if you can be bothered and have the tools and the knowledge. I did not have the knowledge, but I gave it a crack and I'm here now, so hopefully I can put it all back together. Anyway, hope this helps.